Good morning, State Line. A very chilly start to your Thursday morning with temperatures in the upper 30s and lower 40s, but it's going to feel even colder out there with winds out there gusting upwards of 30 miles an hour, but some sunshine is in store this afternoon once we lose some of the clouds throughout the area, and a freezing Friday is in store, a freeze warning in effect throughout the entire viewing area going into tomorrow morning, and the cool temperatures linger into the weekend and early next week. Take a look at this viewer photo Mark sent in of the rainbow there after the rain yesterday, but still quite a bit of clouds off in the distance. And the picture here Michelle sent, but beautiful picture of the rainbow. If you ever have a viewer photo you want to send in, email it to us at weather@wtvo.com or send it to us on our Facebook page as well, and I'll be sure to include it in our forecast. Mercy Health Sky came overlooking the Poplar Grove Airport. A lot of clouds out there, a thick layer of clouds, but those clouds will give way to some sunshine this afternoon. Currently looking at temperatures in the low 40s with a westerly wind at 21 miles an hour, and dew points finally down into the 30s. They've been in the 60s the last few days. It's been very, very humid throughout the area. Currently temperatures throughout the viewing area upper 30s from Monroe to Freeport, low 40s, Rockford and Rochelle, and we'll warm it up into the upper 40s, well below average today, but it's some 20 to 30 degrees colder than this time yesterday. So definitely a noticeable chill in the air and windy as well. Look at sustained winds out of the west, gusting upwards of 30 miles an hour, but sustained 15 to 20 miles an hour. Some clouds moving throughout the area right now, but those clouds will give way to some sunshine this afternoon. Dry weather off to our west, but you can see the cold front that brought us those showers and storms yesterday has pushed off to the northeast. Closer inspection, like I mentioned, a cold night tonight. Freeze warning in effect for the entire viewing area. All the counties shaded in this dark purple color going into effect at 1 a.m. lingering through early Friday morning. Flood warning still out for the Rock and Pecatonic rivers. Going to take a few days for the river levels to go down, but we will see some dry weather, which will help with that. Much of the area still at moderate flood stage. Speaking of flooding rains, Hurricane Michael made landfall yesterday along the Florida Panhandle near Panama City and is now tracking into the Carolinas, dumping a lot of heavy rain with it. And take a look at the storm surge here. Ginger Z of ABC News took this video. A house here off in the distance, but by the end of the video, that house has been demolished and pushed off its foundation thanks to all the storm surge throughout the area and very gusty winds. We saw winds upwards of 155 miles an hour causing destruction like this in Mexico Beach near Panama City. Not only was it the strongest hurricane to hit the Florida Panhandle, it was the third strongest hurricane on record based on pressure, and it had a pressure of 919 millibars, 155 mile an hour winds, 1 mile an hour shy of being considered a Category 5 hurricane. For us locally, no hurricane in our forecast, just some sunshine this afternoon. Partly cloudy to start off the day, then some sunshine. We'll increase clouds tonight, but keep it rather cool. Temperatures down into the lower 30s. Isolated chance of a shower can't be ruled out tomorrow. Otherwise, partly to mainly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon hours. And then clear skies Friday night and into the day Saturday. Today, warming it up. Well below average, 49 degrees, some clouds early, and then afternoon sunshine. 7-day forecast shows the sunny skies linger the next few days, but the cool weather is here to stick around before next chance of rain Sunday and Monday. Jay, I've been trying all forecasts not to laugh at you over
My
there.
name is not Jay, it's Jaylina. Okay?